Hi friends, I am Coderboy and today we will build a fun project called Mad Libs Story Generator. A Mad Libs story is a funny fill in the blank story where the player gives words and the program puts those words into a story. Let's get started. Our program will ask the player for some words, a name, an animal, a place, and a verb ending in ing. Then Python will place those words inside a story. Different words will make a different funny story every time. First, let's ask four questions. Clear the code and type name equals input. Inside brackets and code type what is your name question mark. This asks for the player's name and stores it inside the variable called name. Now let's ask for an animal. Type animals equals input. Inside bracket and quotes type name a funny animal. Now let's ask for a place. Type place equals input and inside bracket and quotes type name a place. And now let's ask for an action word. Type verb equals input and inside bracket and quotes type give me a verb ending in ing like jumping, walking, singing, etc. Great. Now we have four words stored in four variables. These variables are the blanks in our story. Now let's build the story. We will use the plus sign to join strings together. Remember, the plus sign can glue text together. Strings are text which are written in quotes and variables are written without quotes. Now type print, open bracket, one day, this is our text, plus variable name, plus went to, plus place, plus and started, plus our variable verb, plus with a, plus variable animal and close bracket. So all the variables are written without quotes and all our strings are written inside quotes. This line joins the fixed story words with the player's answers. Now click run and when Python asks for the name, let's type Sam. For the animal, type dragon. For the place, type school and for the verb, type dancing. Now Python prints, one day Sam went to school and started dancing with a dragon. Now that's funny. Now run the program again. This time try different words. Now Python prints a brand new story. One day Maya went to mall and started singing with a penguin. The story template stays the same, but the blanks changes every time. That is the magic of programming. One small program can make endless stories. We only change the words and Python does the rest. Look at what we used today. We used input to ask questions. We used variables to store the answers. We use strings for the story text and we use the plus sign to join everything together. Great job! Today you built a real Python project, Mad Libs Story Generator. Try creating your own template, ask for different words like a food, a superhero name or a silly place. Then run it again and again and make new funny stories. In the next video, we will build another Python project. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.